How to log in to Threads application. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Threads app on your preferred mobile device. Next, tap open the Threads application. The first interface of Threads will look like this. If you have a login with Instagram option at the bottom, give a tap on it. If you want to log in with a different account, tap on switch accounts and then enter your username, email address or mobile number associated with your Instagram account. Now, type in your password on the next field and tap login to log into your Instagram account first. If you want to log in with the existing username that appears at the bottom, simply tap on it, wait for a few seconds, and that is how quickly you can log into your Threads account. Wasn't that easy? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more of these videos. Thank you for watching.